Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you legitimate ways to regain access to your secured PDF files in 2026. So if you forgot the password to your own document or you have permission to access it, this guide will help you safely recover access step by step. First, check your browser or password manager. Many people save PDF passwords without realizing it. Next, contact the person or company that sent the PDF. So they may provide the password or send you an unlocked copy. Now check your backups, cloud storage, or older versions of the file. You may already have an accessible copy saved somewhere. So some secured PDFs are linked to accounts or subscriptions. Logging into the correct account may unlock the document automatically. Next, if you created the PDF yourself, reopen the original Word or document file and export a new PDF. This avoids password issues completely. Finally, save important PDF passwords in a secure password manager. So this helps prevent future lockout problems. And that's how to safely regain access to secured PDF files in 2026. Once you use backups, saved passwords, and original source files, recovering your own PDFs becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and productivity tutorials. Hey,